Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 7th, and this is my recap of the top videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold versus the dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So very nice moves up over across pretty much all the dollar pairs. I think it's very clear this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we're most likely in subdivisions of a wave 3. It looks more like we have a 1, 2, 3 situation going on right here. So I don't even think the wave 3 is over. Maybe it will respect the 61.8% of it's a very likely area for a pullback. If it does make a pullback, that should be good news for us because it should give us more opportunities to go long for the continuation of this uptrend, which I think on the much higher time frames most likely is a wave 5 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.